Well, the president's plan to cancel or reduce student loans for millions of Americans is no more.
WDRB's Katrina Nickel explains the Supreme Court ruling and the advice now from experts on how to tackle those payments. Katrina.
Well, it's going to be a big adjustment for those who have never had to pay back loans because of a freeze due to the pandemic. In Kentucky, a state agency estimates that's about 600,000 people in the Commonwealth.
They convince us to go to school. We grew up our whole lives. It's like that's how you become successful in life, is you get an education.
Matthew Mancini has taken on student loan debt between undergrad at Michigan State and law school at U of L.
I think it's dumb.
He's frustrated by the Supreme Court decision to effectively kill President Biden's student loan forgiveness plan. In a 6-3 ruling, the conservative justices in the majority finding the White House did not have the authority to move forward without congressional approval. Qualifying people could have seen up to $10,000 or more forgiven.
We will ground this new approach in a different law.
Now President Biden has intentions to come up with an alternative program. Financial experts say it's time to plan as loan repayment starts in October. IU finance professor Kenneth Crowell's advice is to cut back on spending on unnecessary costs, but try not to sacrifice retirement or savings plans.
There's going to be some tough choices that have to be made.
He also says don't use a credit card to pay back loans because of the high interest rates and suggests refinancing existing loans. All things Mancini and others will have to consider soon.
It just adds an extra stressor.
Experts also suggested checking different payment plans your loan service may offer, but have patience as the departments will be dealing with several similar requests.